I've got a little time to kill before I have to go pick up the dogs. So why not make the most of this time and head down to the harbor, see if there's anything to shoot. Should have told this dude this is not a spot. It was sunshine driving in, but it seems Mother Nature has other plans for me today. Come on, bud. Yeah, come here. Yeah. You gotta give your wipies. You have your post daycare wipies.